Okay, start the fourth chapter, quadratic equation, and we are familiar with the quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation. A does not equals to 0. Now first of you have to find the discriminant. D is b square minus 4ac. This is the basic formula of the discriminant. We are familiar. The one question that will be asking in your examination, that will be carries the 3 marks. You keep in mind, you have to ready with the steps and you get the marks. તમારે સ્ટેપ્સ જ માઇન્ડમાં રાખવાના છે. 6 સ્ટેપ છે, 6 સ્ટેપ્સ માઇન્ડમાં રાખો, then you can easily get the 3 marks. Okay, discriminant db square minus 4ac. First of you have to find the ABC. X square multiple is A, X multiple is B, and constant it is C. X square multiple is A, X multiple is B, and constant is C. The coefficient of X square is A, coefficient of X is B, and coefficient, no coefficient, it is the constant term, that is C. Okay, you can find A, B, C. Ready? A, B, C. This is the first step, this is the second step. Now we have to find alpha. This is the real roots of the quadratic equation. Okay, this is the real roots of the quadratic equation. So minus b plus root d upon 2a, this is the basic formula, and this is minus b minus root d upon 2a, this is another basic formula. You can find minus b plus root d upon 2a minus b minus root d upon 2a, putting b d and a, putting value of b d a, and you get the answer. इसको बोलते हैं बड़ा 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 बड़ा. Okay, and d you can find this way. This is the basic concept of quadratic equation. You make out the one table or one chart in your reading table. બરાબર, તમે તમારા reading table ઉપર આટલો ચાર્ટ રાખી દો. બરાબર છે. ચેપ્ટર નંબર 4. This is the chapter number 4. This is the 10th standard, and this is the English medium. Okay, ready? Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. A does not equals to 0. D equals to b square minus 4ac, and alpha is minus b plus root d upon 2a, and beta is minus b minus root d upon 2a. The d value is b square minus 4ac, and we have to find the d with the help of this formula. આ તમારે ફોર્મ્યુલા થી રેડી કરવાનું છે. કોઈ પણ સમ આવે એને આ મેથડ થી સોલ્વ કરવાનું. ओके, जो भी सम दिया है उसको सोल्व ऐसे स्टेप्स में करना पड़ेगा आपको. ए बी सी फाइंड करना पड़ेगा. डिस्क्रिमिनेंट डी स्क्वायर बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac, अल्फा माइनस बी रूट डी अपॉन 2a, बीटा माइनस बी माइनस रूट डी अपॉन 2a. ओके, स्टार्ट द sum, the basic sum that will be asking your examination in a 3 marks. The first one sum I will take 6x square x square minus 13x plus 6 equals to 0. You compare with quadratic equation. In your examination, question format is like this. So this, and that will be carries 3 marks. आपके एग्जाम में 3 मार्क्स में आएगा ये सम. 6 स्टेप का है, वो स्टेप भी लिखेंगे तो भी हाफ मार्क मिलेंगे. ओके, तो यू हैव टू रेडी विद द बेसिक कंसेप्ट हाउ टू कैलकुलेट एबीसी, discriminant, and after discriminant you have to square root of the discriminant, and you keep in mind alpha and beta real roots minus b plus root d upon 2a, and beta equals to minus b minus root d upon 2a, like that manner. Okay, compare with quadratic equation. Ax square a is 6, b is minus 13, 6 6 6, c is 6. 169, 144, 25. Root D. ABC, discriminant D, B square minus 4AC, and find the alpine beta. Find the alpine beta. Okay. Then how to solve? Okay, alpha minus b plus root d upon 2a, and beta. This is the value of x. This is the value of x. This is also value of x. दो value x की है, but we have to arrange in quadratic equation. The one name is alpha, another name is beta. This is the basic formula. Minus b plus root d upon 2a, minus b minus root d upon 2a. बराबर? Ready? This is the alpha. What is the b? Minus 13. What is the root d? Is 5. And what is 2a? 6. 13 plus 5 upon 12. 18 by 12. 3 by 2. 3 by 2. And what is beta? Minus 5. 13 minus 5 upon 12. 30 minus 5, that is 8. 8 by 12. And this is 2 by 3. You understand what I say? Therefore, 6x squared plus 1 equals to 0, having real roots. Okay. In short, this is the values of alpha and beta. Very simple. See, first step, find the ABC. Second step, find the D equals to B square minus 4AC. Third step,
Reading taking. Mobile.
third step, find the alpha and beta. Third step, find the root d. Fourth step, alpha minus b plus root d upon 2a. Beta minus b minus root d upon 2a. And fifth one. This is the final answer of alpha and beta value. Okay. Ready? Now first one, we have to find the ABC. See, ABC. આની હારે કમ્પેર કરો એટલે x સ્ક્વેર નો મલ્ટીપલ છે 6, x નો મલ્ટીપલ છે -30, constant it is 6. What is D? We have to write what is D? Discriminant. Okay, this discriminant value is b square minus 4ac, and this D is D. Therefore, D is 13 square is 169 and minus 144, and D is 25. Root D is under root 25. The square root of 25 is 5, and we find the alpha and beta. Alpha value is minus b plus root d upon 2a, and beta value is minus b minus root d upon 2a. Okay. Ready? And we put the values of a, b, d. You get the values of alpha and beta like that manner. Understand what I say? बराबर आप 5 स्टेप लेवाना. Also you keep in mind the square of 1 to 25. Also you could keep in mind the square of 1 to 25. 1 to 25. 1 is 1. 2 is 4. 3 is 9. 4 is 16. This is the square. 5 is 25. And under root 25 we get 5. Under root 16 we get 4. Under root 9 we get 3. Then 6 it is 36. 7 it is 49. 8 it is 64. 9 it is 81. 10 it is 100. 11 it is 121. 12 it is 144. 13 it is 169. And 14 it is 196. 15 it is 225. 16 it is 256. 17 it is 289. 18 it is 324. 19 it is 361. And 20 it is 400. And 21 it is 441. And 22 it is 484. And 23 it is 529. And 24 it is 576. And 25 it is 625. આટલા લગીન જે હું બોલું છું ને અંદરથી એમ તમારે માઇન્ડમાં રાખવા છે. કીપ ઇન માઇન્ડ લાઈક ધેટ મેનર with the squares of 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 4 4 are 5 5 6 6 6 36 7 49 11 11 are 121 and 11 square is 121 12 144 13 169 14 196 7 15 225 16 256 17 289 18 324 19 361 20 400 21 441 22 484 23 529 24 576 and 25 it is 625. You keep in mind like that manner. Understood what I say? Okay, this is the squares of 1 to 25. You keep in mind. Okay, આ ચાર્ટ પણ તમારા ટેબલ ઉપર લગાવી દેજો, રીડિંગ ટેબલ ઉપર. Now start the another so many sum to find the quadratic equation. I have given the more 5 in your homework. 24 homework HW quadratic equation. Same manner, first you find the ABC and then find the discriminant D, then you find the alpha and beta. The first one is 24x square minus 17x plus 3 equal to 0. X square plus 2x plus 4 equals to 0. My favorite sums, root 6x square minus 5x plus root 6 equals to 0. Root 6x square minus 5x plus root 6 equals to 0. X square plus x plus 1 equals to 0. And the last one it is 2x square minus 4x plus 5 equals to 0. 2x square minus 4x plus 5 equals to 0. આટલા તમારે 5 સમ હોમવર્કમાં કરવાના. All is quadratic equation. First you find A, B, C. What is A in this case? 24. B minus 17. C 3. Like that manner you know. And D, B square minus 4AC. Putting B, AC value. And then find the root D, and then alpha minus b plus root d. This root d value substituting into a, and beta minus b minus root d upon 2a. This is the final answer. You get 3 out of 3. Like that manner you can easily solve by stepwise. The first one, the step is each and every sum that will be given in quadratic equation. The title is like this: solve. Solve. The question is solve. That type of question that will be asking in your examination. So you have to ready with the first step. You have to find the ABCD, the d square minus 4ac, root d value counting, and then you find the alpha and beta. You get the final answer. Okay. Ready? I hope you will be clear this all things, and you have to ready with this all things. Okay? When we meet, you have to ready with the fair work also. And this type of question title is like that whenever you find the quadratic equation with the help of alpha and beta. Okay? Ready?